Ayusin mo. Pag umalis, liguan mo. Bago ako pumasok, kailangan mo. Liguan mo ng mga girl. Dandan. Oh my goodness. Sige, cleaning mo ulit. Dati pag naglilinis ka nila ngayon,
It looks like that one's getting clean.
ayusin mo paglinis na. Suklay mo yung hair mo. Marunong ka ba magsuklay? Dapat marunong ka na magsuklay sa buhok mo.
I got it all out.
Kuha ka dyan ulit. Linisin mo.
What else am I supposed to do?
Ulit ito. Linisin mo pa. Kuha.
You want me to like do more?
Oo, kasi marumi pa yung tainga mo eh.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Marunong ka magtagalog.
How many you want me to do for the video goes away?
Tuto ka magtagalog kasi nasa
Ow.
Pilipinas tayo.
Mommy, I can't do anymore. It's like no more Ewoks in me. Please, no more. I only found a little. It's like so clear. I don't see any.
Sige, sabihin mo dyan. Hi. Hi everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Upo ka dito.
I'm here.
Huwag mo paglaruan niya, magagalit si Papa.
Well, try and make a cross.